Good morning. Today is D-Day. I'm making myself start with a category that I know is going to be the one that is simultaneously technically the easiest to do, but also the hardest, because the actual act of what I need to do is easy. But I procrastinate like a little bitch, especially when it comes to things like cleaning my bedroom. And that is what we're starting with today.
Family pulled out as many stops as possible PI, and the most options after this. Just honestly, like the best was actually be his friend. So 2 years until the incident, Jerry reported that fascisms would only stealing to smelling women's laundry introduced to this food who had several older sisters. So his house he would steal his underwear and Jerry would cheat. And even this being completely first in the world confessed to attacking the Merhead or investing out here. Because victims picked me while driving while standing beside a broken table.
It's been like 3 days and I'm not done my room yet, but the fact is that I am working on it. I'm gonna watch Gossip Girl. I have gone through those boxes. I threw away the trash. Now I only have 3 boxes and then 1 tiny box to put in storage, but it's cold, so I'm gonna do that some other time.
About
gonna be able to see what.
No, yeah, I'm thinking when I'm sitting here, it is like the perfect height.
The desk.
Yeah, and just like a little bit of a gap under it so that it doesn't look dumb. Okay, that one's on.
Okay. You like it?
Yes, it's perfect. Looks like a real vanity now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get little like acrylic shelves to put here,